Number 1. Warding, meaning protecting or defending from harm or danger. Synonyms: guarding, shielding, defending. Antonyms: exposing, neglecting, endangering. Explanation: hospitals must take measures to prevent fire incidents, safeguarding lives. Number 2. Compliance, meaning conforming to rules or standards. Synonyms: adherence, obedience, conformity. Antonyms: non-compliance, defiance, resistance. Explanation: compliance with safety norms is essential for accreditation. Number 3. Ignition, meaning the act of setting something on fire. Synonyms: combustion, kindling, lighting. Antonyms: extinguishment, suppression, dousing. Explanation: identifying ignition sources is a key step in fire prevention. Number 4. Retrofitting, meaning adding new features or technology to existing structures. Synonyms: upgrading, modifying, modernizing. Antonyms: dismantling, neglecting, deconstructing. Explanation: retrofitting older buildings can enhance fire safety. Number 5. Suffocation, meaning the state of being unable to breathe. Synonyms: asphyxiation, choking, smothering. Antonyms: breathing, ventilation, airflow. Explanation: victims often suffer suffocation due to smoke inhalation in fires. Number 6. Diatribe, meaning a bitter and forceful verbal attack. Synonyms: tirade, criticism, rant. Antonyms: praise, compliment, eulogy. Explanation: used to describe the heated exchanges in parliamentary debates. Number 7. Facade, meaning a false appearance or illusion of something. Synonyms: pretense, veneer, front. Antonyms: reality, authenticity. Explanation: indicates the use of the Constitution as a superficial justification for political agendas. Number 8. Dynamism, meaning the quality of being dynamic and constantly changing. Synonyms: energy, vigor, activity. Antonyms: stagnation, lethargy. Explanation: reflects the adaptability required for constitutional principles over time. Number 9. Ethos, meaning the characteristic spirit or culture of a community expressed in its beliefs and aspirations. Synonyms: spirit, character, philosophy. Antonyms: apathy, indifference. Explanation: refers to the fundamental values and guiding principles of a society or system. Number 10. Railed, meaning spoke bitterly or complained strongly. Synonyms: criticized, berated, lambasted. Antonyms: praised, supported, endorsed. Explanation: used to describe the verbal attacks exchanged between political figures. Number 11. Evolving, meaning developing gradually, especially into a better, more complex form. Synonyms: changing, progressing, adapting. Antonyms: stagnating, regressing, remaining. Explanation: indicates the progressive nature of constitutional interpretation and application. Number 12. Centrist, meaning a person or political position that is moderate, avoiding extremes. Synonyms: moderate, neutral, middle of the road. Antonyms: extremist, radical, partisan. Explanation: refers to Macron's coalition aiming for balance between political ideologies. Number 13. Bloc, meaning a group of countries, parties, or entities with shared goals. Synonyms: alliance, coalition, partnership. Antonyms: division, disunion, separation. Explanation: refers to the largest group in France's hung parliament. Number 14. Ballooned, meaning expanded rapidly and significantly. Synonyms: inflated, grew, swelled. Antonyms: shrunk, diminished, decreased. Explanation: describes the rapid increase in France's debt. Number 15. Anti-establishment, meaning opposed to the conventional or dominant political or social system. Synonyms: dissenting, rebellious, radical. Antonyms: pro-establishment, conformist. Explanation: describes the growing support for unconventional political movements. Number 16. Coalition. Meaning an alliance of individuals, parties, or nations for a common purpose. Synonyms: alliance, union, partnership. Antonyms: disunion, division, separation. Explanation: refers to Macron's centrist coalition formed to stabilize governance. Number 17. Ballot. Meaning a process of voting, typically in secret. Synonyms: election, poll, referendum. Antonyms: appointment, imposition. Explanation: refers to elections in France leading to political fragmentation. Number 18. Intransigence, meaning refusal to change one's views or agree. Synonyms: stubbornness, inflexibility, obstinacy. Antonyms: flexibility, compromise, adaptability. Explanation: highlights the rigidity in political negotiations. Number 19. Overreach, meaning to extend too far or exceed one's abilities or limits. Synonyms: overextension, excess, miscalculation. Antonyms: restraint, moderation, balance. Explanation: refers to Macron's ambitious decisions that backfired. Number 20. Radicalization, meaning the process of adopting extreme political or social views. Synonyms: extremism, intensification, fanaticism. Antonyms: moderation, normalization, balance. Explanation: refers to growing support for extreme political ideologies in France. Number 21. Whammy, meaning a powerful or overwhelming blow or setback. Synonyms: curse, jinx, misfortune. Antonyms: blessing, boon. Explanation: often used in the phrase double whammy to indicate two related negative impacts. Number 22. Sputtering, meaning to make a series of soft explosive sounds often indicative of failure. Synonyms: faltering, stammering, spluttering. Antonyms: flowing, steady. Explanation: describes uneven, failing, or declining performance. Number 23. Glean, meaning to gather information or material bit by bit. Synonyms: collect, extract, gather. Antonyms: scatter, disperse. Explanation: implies carefully collecting scattered or difficult to find pieces of information. Number 24. Tumult, meaning a loud, confused noise, especially one caused by a large mass of people. Synonyms: chaos, uproar, commotion. Antonyms: calm, order. Explanation: used figuratively to describe confusion or disorder in situations. Number 25. Unfazed, meaning not disconcerted or perturbed. Synonyms: calm, composed, undaunted. Antonyms: agitated, perturbed. Explanation: indicates being unaffected by an event or outcome. Number 26. Inimical, meaning tending to obstruct or harm. Synonyms: hostile, antagonistic, adverse. Antonyms: friendly, favorable. Explanation: often used to describe something detrimental or harmful to a specific cause. Number 27. Scupper, meaning to thwart or ruin a plan. Synonyms: sabotage, hinder, foil. Antonyms: support, assist. Explanation: often used to describe the intentional or unintentional destruction of an opportunity or strategy. Number 28. Caveat, meaning amendment, a warning or proviso of specific stipulations, conditions, or limitations. Synonyms: warning, caution, admonition. Antonyms: assurance, certainty. Explanation: used to introduce a qualification or limitation. Number 29. Conundrum, meaning a confusing or difficult problem or question. Synonyms: dilemma, puzzle, enigma. Antonyms: solution, clarity. Explanation: describes a situation or problem that is difficult to resolve. Number 30. Viable, meaning capable of working successfully. Synonyms: feasible, practical, workable. Antonyms: impossible, impractical. Explanation: suggests that something can be done or is achievable. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if this video added value to your day. See you next time with more exciting content. Your support keeps us motivated.